No problem. Thanks for calling. Garry Salomon here. I am an injury lawyer in New Jersey, and I just got off the phone with a client who asked me to explain what exactly is a summary judgment motion. Here's my answer. But first, let me explain what is a motion. In most lawsuits, there are plaintiffs who are suing defendants. They are called parties to the lawsuit. And believe me, litigation is no party. And in the course of a lawsuit, sometimes things get stuck between the parties because the plaintiffs and defendants can't agree on something. So to get the case moving again, they ask a judge to move the case along with a court order. It's usually done in writing, and that's why it's called filing a motion. But a summary judgment motion is a bit different. Here, one of the parties to the case is asking the court to end the case or to decide a critical issue where either the facts or law does not justify a legal right or a legal claim. Basically, it's, Your Honor, throw this case out. Here's an example. Let's say someone gets into a car accident because they followed a route recommended by Waze, and they sue Waze because Google Maps may have recommended a different route. And they say if they took that route, they would not have been in an accident. Here, the judge, when looking at the undisputed facts, would find that as a matter of law, Waze was not negligent in providing a route, and it was not foreseeable that a driver would drive negligently because of a mapping software app. The judge would then throw the case out. However, let's say that mapping software caused them to drive off a cliff because the route specifies so. Then there is a question of fact for the jury to decide. Was Waze negligent? And under those circumstances, the judge may allow the case to proceed along to trial. I hope this explanation was helpful. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.